Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and removing USBs or SD cards. Stray media often causes operating system not found. Once powered on, press F2 or ESC to open BIOS. You'll inspect boot order and detect whether the internal HDD/SSD is visible. That determines next steps. If the drive is missing, reseat the connector later. If present, change boot priority so the drive is first. Make sure secure boot settings match whether your OS uses UEFI or legacy mode. You'll continue by booting a recovery USB to inspect partitions and run diagnostics. This confirms if the file system or bootloader is corrupt. Once in recovery, run disk tools, diskpart on Windows or fdisk/lsblk on Linux to verify partitions. If partitions exist, repair the bootloader. On Windows, use bootrec commands and rebuild BCD. On Linux, root into the install and reinstall grub. If the file system is damaged, run chkdsk or fsck to fix errors. You finish by confirming the drive is selected in BIOS and rebooting to test results. If boot succeeds, update drivers and create recovery media. Once done, reseat the drive or replace cables if the disk was intermittently detected, because loose connectors mimic failure. If you must reinstall, use a live USB to back up personal data first. If things still fail, run Smart Diagnostics to determine hardware failure. If Smart shows bad sectors, replace the drive rather than reinstalling repeatedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.